You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 3500. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include heated front seats, leather upholstery, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, power front seats, a trailer hitch, and voice-activated navigation. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.